see Santa Claus. And as you can see, they did some really cool stuff. Now, we were in line yesterday for Santa Claus, but we got out to go see Elmo's Christmas Wish. Because we really wanted to see that too. And we figured we'll come back for Santa Claus because he's going to be here for all the way up until Christmas. We have plenty of time, good 6 weeks. But look at all the fun stuff they have. They have really cool activities. Come in here, you can scribble on this, so when you're waiting in a long line, it doesn't feel so long. They have really cool like sand stuff over there to play with, and some toys over there. I think there's even something over there where you can do letters with Santa. So this is going to be super awesome. You got to come check this out. Izzy's over here making something in the sand. What do you got, Iz? What'd you make? This is really cool. You can't get it out. Oh, you got it out, Iz. It's a dinosaur. Check that out. That's pretty cool, Iz. Look, you can make a starfish. This is really neat. Look at that. I got a starfish. I got a starfish. And you know what's really not... Oh, I like it. It's got a really good texture to it. It's not like sticks here or anything like that. That's pretty cool. Check this out. Izzy has an ice cream cone. Izzy, you gonna make an ice cream cone?
On the floor.
There you go. Making an ice cream cone. Here, let me help you chop that up a little bit. Get some. There we go. Gotta chop up the ice cream. Awesome. Push that in there, Iz. There you go. Moving over for... Oh, she was moving over in case you wanted to do some, Paige. Izzy made this cool ice cream cone. Look, she flips it upside down. Is that cool? You gonna smash it up? All right. Uh-oh, the line is moving in. So we are gonna go see Santa. Check this out. You can build stuff over here. That's pretty cool. Like make a castle or a building. That's neat. I like it. Izzy's checking that out over there. What is that? Check that out. Oh, they stick. They're like magnets. That's neat. I like it, Iz. I like it. Pretty cool. Super awesome. I like the stuff that they have. I think we should get some of them. That's pretty cool because they stick together and they won't come tumbling down. Like when you make stuff. Yeah. Izzy's having fun over there. Look at her. She's adding to the building over there. Trying to find a spot for it. There you got one, Iz. Awesome. This is pretty cool. Check it out. They have Oscar and Grover, and they have Abby and Pickford. You got crowns here so you can color. You can color a picture. That's cool. And then you can fold it and make a card and send it to someone. That's awesome. Check this out. As we were moving through it, there was more. We see Cookie Monster here. She's got a big bird and Snuffleupagus. So there's different ones. Oh, there you go. There's Elmo with hot chocolate. That's cool. There. So there are more underneath.
I got you a Grover one.
You got me a Grover one? Okay, we got some. We're going to color them. Awesome. This is really a great idea. Kids will not be bored standing in this line at all. Check this out, guys. Is that cool? Yay! I like it. It is a really, really cool gingerbread house. And there's candy canes they give out. I think that is super awesome. Super nice, right? Now, we're outside waiting to go in. I can't wait to see Santa's workshop. Look, Santa's Furry Workshop. I'm sorry if the sun was in that one. It's hard because the sun is out, and it is a good thing it is out because it's got a cool wind and the sun is keeping us warm.
Are you excited to meet Santa Claus? Okay, so a couple more minutes. Why don't you tell me about yourself? Like, what do you want for Christmas?
You don't know yet? Still got some time to think about that? Something with Big Bird though, right? No? A phone? She's looking for something. That's what she wants, a phone. Yeah.
Hey, well, Santa thought you were extra special, so instead of going through this door, we have a much faster way for you.
Awesome. Check it out. Oh, wow. Hello.
Welcome.
Go ahead, Paige.
Honorary elves.
All right. We are honorary elves. Here we go.
Oh, I love the Rudolph and the Clarice. They're playing reindeer games right now.
And she's got the Bumble shirt on. That's her Bumble shirt, yes?
Oh my goodness, so festive. I love it. And over here we have our elf break room. Sounds like somebody's messing with some cookies right now.
Oh my goodness.
And over here we have our elf training room. You have to be 200 years old to be in our elf training room. Are you 200 yet? No? Maybe in a few years, right? And over here
You can hear people
we have
talking.
Santa himself. Do you want to knock on the door? You want me to knock on it for you? Alright, ready? Here we go.
All right, here we go. Let's go see Santa Claus. She's gonna get up now. She's gonna get... Oh my goodness! It's Santa Claus. All right. Awesome.
Good to see you. And you, how old are you now? How old is she? Double digits? And you're double digits too?
Oh yeah.
Whoa! Oh, it's so good to see you. Oh, look at that smile. That's wonderful. And you have a great smile too, don't you? I know it. You could be a model. You know that. Yeah, with those eyes? I think so. Come over here and talk to me. What do you want for Christmas?
What do you want?
Do you know what you want for Christmas? Yeah. What do you want for Christmas? That too? Two of them? You like my beard? Do you have a beard too? Let me see. No, you don't have a beard, silly. You guys want to get a picture with me? Ready to get a picture? There you go.
All right.
Awesome.
Ready?
Come closer. There you go. Awesome. I love my hat. You like my hat?
You ready, Iz?
Look over here. Look.
Smile, Iz. Iz, say.
Yay!
There you go. Oh, thank you so much,
Because we
Santa.
say cookies, you know, instead of cheese. You know that. You know why? Why do we say cookies instead of cheese? Yes, that's right. Yes? You like cookies too? Yeah. You love cookies? Yeah. What kind of cookies do you love?
Yes, chocolate
That's
chip.
the one you know who else likes them? Yes.
Cookie
And tell
Monster.
him, please lay off my cookies.
Yes.
I can tell where he's been because he's always eating and leaving messes.
Yes,
all over the
he
place.
is.
You don't think that way, do you? Do you do it that way too? Yeah. Who's that on your shirt? Oh, that is so cool. I love it. That's very nice. Because red is my favorite color. Oh,
Is he?
wait a minute. Are you Santa Claus? You go ahead, sit down. Can I sit on your knee? Oh, there you go. Is that better? I'm going to sit on here. Say ho, ho, ho. That's so funny.
All right, Iz, ready?
Merry
Say
Christmas.
Merry Christmas. All right. Bye-bye, Santa.
See ya.
Bye-bye.
Have a wonderful holiday. And start thinking about what you want for Christmas.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Oh my goodness. Do you not have protective shoes? Let me see. You should feel your shoes. Oh, they're too soft. Now, if you have reindeer, now feel my feet. Feel them. Is it hard or soft? So that's why I have my protective shoes on in case the reindeer come and step on my feet. You know. But I don't want you guys getting hurt if you go outside with those reindeer. You understand? So I want to make sure it's safe. Okay?
Yes, yes.
So,
Okay, really cool pictures. Oh my gosh, there's Murray.
are they going? Okay. Have
All
a very
right.
Merry Christmas.
You too.
See you, Missy.
Thank you. Bye-bye,
Bye.
Santa.
Have a good Christmas.
You too. All right, we're coming through here now, and check it out. Here's all the reindeer. Comet, Blitzen, Donner, Cupid, Dancer, Rudolph, Prancer, Vixen, and Dasher. All right. Oh, Izzy can't look in the door. Izzy's trying to peek in the doors. That's where the presents probably are. All right.